The three issues that we had were size, excessive size, and disease. We've been using for approximately 8 years. They were in the Yellow Pages many years ago, but we were extremely lucky. We chose very, very, very well, and we have, in actual fact, utilised them probably 7 or 8 times since then, and wouldn't have any other. Glenn and his crew were so very, very, very good. They were pleasant people, they were professional, and did the jobs with minimal amount of disruption to me and my family, and they were tidy, and they didn't damage my plants, which was the thing that worried me most. They're just great. I would recommend them to anybody. In fact, I have. I've already recommended them, I don't know how many times. They're proficient, they are tidy, they're friendly, they have everything. Put it bluntly, I love having them.